Hello YouTubers, in this video I'm going to show you how to clone yourself, or to make clone effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. In this video I'm to show you two ways you can this effect. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification below in order to get new update videos. So, let's jump in Premiere right now. Before we start to edit, you have to know this. You have to shoot two different footages, but it must have the same background. Look mine. This is the first video I'm on left side. And the second one I'm on right side. But all it has same background. So, let's start editing. The first way is masking. So, put one footage on the top of other one. Click on the top footage. Go in Effect Control, click here on Opacity. Click on this free Draw Bezier tool. Now mask around where the subject is. Remember, we are masking on the top layer. So let's start to mask. Now the mask is done. Look between these two clips, there is some errors. But I'm going to remove it. Click on first layer. Increase here on mask feather. Now, my footage is looking good. And I'm going to show you the second way, is crop. Also arrange your footage same as first one. Click on the top layer. And go to on effect to search crop. Drop it on the top clip. And then, reduce the left side. And between these clips, there is also some errors. So, what you have to do, increase the edge feather. Wow! My video is looking good. So, guys, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.